In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balances in Xero. Before we jump in, it helps to have your closing trial balance from your previous system ready, dated the day before you plan to start using Xero. Think of that date as your handover point. Everything before it belongs to your old records, and everything after it will live in Xero. Start by opening Xero and going to the accounting menu. From there, choose accounting settings. This area controls the backbone of your financial setup, so you'll want to be sure you have the right user permissions to make changes. Next, select conversion balances. This is the dedicated place in Xero for setting up your opening figures, and it's designed to ensure your new ledger begins with accurate totals. On the conversion balances page, click conversion date. The conversion date tells Xero when you're switching over. You'll be prompted to select the month and year. Choose the period and that immediately precedes your first day in Xero. For example, if you're starting fresh in Xero on the 1st of July, set the conversion date to the end of June. This keeps your profit and loss and balance sheet neatly separated between old and new systems, avoids overlap, and makes reconciliation straightforward. After selecting the month and year, click Save. Saving here pins down the framework for your opening balances, and Xero uses this date to determine which balances belong to your opening position versus current activity. Back on the conversion balances page, click Show All Accounts. By default, Xero might only display accounts with expected activity. Showing all accounts reveals every ledger line in your chart of accounts, including ones with zero activity, so you can confirm nothing important is hidden. This visibility is especially helpful if your previous system included uncommon accounts, or if you want to review retained earnings, control accounts, or any custom codes you've set up in Xero. Once all accounts are visible, click Save Again. This records your display preference and locks in the context for populating figures. From here, you'll see where your opening balances belong and can verify that the layout matches your trial balance structure. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Choose a conversion date that matches your prior reports exactly to avoid discrepancies. Make sure your chart of accounts in Xero lines up with the accounts in your old system. And if you realize the date needs adjusting, you can return to the conversion date step and update it before you start posting day-to-day transactions. That's it. You've set the foundation for adding opening balances in Xero with a clear conversion date and full account visibility, so your transition can be clean, accurate, and ready for the next steps.